we will admit, Ina, na yung opponent namin ay has been in social media and has been trying to revise history for the last 5 years, no, since 2016. Si VP pumasok lang naman sa labanan dito sa halalan ngayong October 7 when she declared. As a matter of fact, as late as September 23, ang alam namin hindi na talaga tatakbo, no? But certain things happened that she decided on the first day of when the filing of certificates of candidacies were allowed, that evening of October 1, I think she already decided and embraced it that she would run. She informed us on October 4, the Monday the following week. So from that time, and on October 7, talagang naghahabol kami. And we were pleasantly surprised that from her standing of number 5 to number 6 in the pre-election surveys, she is now number 2. So yung trajectory namin pataas, and tingin namin kung patuloy yung ginagawa ng mga volunteers, dahil sabi nga ni VP Lenny, hindi niya ito kayang gawin na nag-iisa. So ito ay people's campaign, and alam ng mga volunteers kung ano yung mga kailangan.
Sir?
Yes, anong kailangan na gawin, at ito yung ginagawa namin ngayon, no? Going to the communities ang importante. We alam natin kung ano yung age bracket na kailangan na i-target. These are the age bracket that is now looking for jobs or have found jobs, no? Pero ang sweldo nila ay nasa, you would say, 20,000 to 30,000. No? Yun yung mga target market. Tapos rural poor. So ito yung mga kailangan namin gawin. Kaya nga, kung titingnan nga natin, ang nilaunch ngayong umaga ay yung hanap buhay na platform ni VP Lenny.